Traditionally, analytics was all about dashboards, monthly, weekly, maybe daily refreshes. But now with AI, we are just moving real-time insights, personalization at the moment of action, and even synthetic users that help to predict outcomes before we actually launch any product. Today's discussion is one I have been personally excited about. Joining me is someone who has been living and breathing this transformation. Ashish Arora, the head of engineering and ML at Autodesk. Product analytics has its own version of industrial revolution, right? So this is an exciting phase, and it's not just analyzing, it's predicting and acting on top of it. Teams do not anticipate when they move from one stage to the next stage.
Some companies I've seen make a transition to the streaming side of things or real-time analytics side of things rather much more quickly before setting up the real baseline of the batch analytics, because I think it's a bit more of a step ladder.
So as per McKinsey, the companies, those who are really investing in real time, they see like 10 to 20% higher conversions than those who are just relying on the batch personalization. Where do you see highest leverage points in the product to deploy AI models that shift clicks into the conversion?
I don't know if you remember Clippy. It's one of those things that was like way ahead of its time, where like Microsoft was trying to actually do some level of personalization with it, but it didn't really pick up as much. Biggest values lie it's in the real aspect of when the user really needs personalization. I've heard of this use case of like Netflix actually using personalization at scale of their customers, where when you're browsing Netflix, they actually personalize even the thumbnails that you're seeing. And for that, you really do need latency that is like in milliseconds, because you can't like take a long time.
Imagine that before you actually launch any feature, you have the synthetic users, where I have a couple of examples. You might have heard about this before.
It is something that definitely is right now big in the industry. The gaming industry has been thinking about it for years, because that has a big challenge for them. The overall industry now, because I think with AI, one of the biggest things that is happening is the software development lifecycle is also shortening. I think the good thing with AI is like it has at least opened new avenues like this.
Whenever we create any AI ML model, that's completely fine. But when it comes to the executives, like CFO is going to ask me, show me ROI.
You need to really break it down into incremental delivery. At every delivery step, also showcase what is that incremental gain in our success metric that we started with. And I think that's how we can really prove that ROI in an incremental way to continuously improve on the value that any product engineering team provides.
What do you see as the next 3 to 5 years of product analytics with AI? Anything crazy is gonna happen?